Hello everyone, we are starting with the next chapter in our grade 10 biology series, chemical coordination in plants. So we are already done with two chapters, photosynthesis and absorption by roots. Those who have not seen those videos, please go back, watch them. And rest of you, please join me in chemical coordination in plants. Now, starting with the introduction. See, आई नो तुम सबको लगता है कि केमिकल कोऑर्डिनेशन सिर्फ ह्यूमंस में होता है. ह्यूमंस के पास दिमाग है, उनमें नर्व्स है, उनमें कोऑर्डिनेशन है फॉर डिफरेंट फंक्शंस बिटवीन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. व्हाट अबाउट प्लांट्स? The plants which are there in your balcony, how do you think they know that they have to bend towards the sunlight for photosynthesis? वो कैसे bend करते हैं sunlight की तरफ photosynthesis के लिए? Plant के जो roots होते हैं, how do you think they know in which direction they have to go for water in the soil? Roots को कैसे पता है soil में किस direction में जाना है पानी के लिए? Plants में कोई brain नहीं है, plants में कोई nerves नहीं है. How do you think there is coordination in plants for different functions? Today we will explore this. So, starting with chemical coordination in plants. So, for this coordination in plants for different functions is because of hormones of plants. So, plant hormones have a different name. They are called phytohormones. Plant hormones are also called phytohormones and they are divided into two categories. Plant hormone का नाम क्या है? Phytohormone. What are the two categories of plant hormone? Growth promoting hormone and the other category is growth retarding hormone. I think name is self-explanatory. Growth promoting. जो plant की growth को promote करेंगे वो growth promoting hormone है. जो plant की growth को कम करेंगे वो growth retarding hormone है. Now we will start with the first growth promoting hormone, auxin. Now auxin growth promoting hormone है और ये प्लांट में एग्जैक्टली कहाँ प्रेजेंट होता है? इसकी लोकेशन क्या है प्लांट में? मेरिस्टेमेटिक रीजन्स. नाउ ग्रेड 9 टिश्यू चैप्टर, मेरिस्टेमेटिक रीजन्स क्या होते हैं? एक्टिवली ग्रोइंग रीजन्स ऑफ द प्लांट. एंड व्हाट आर एक्टिवली ग्रोइंग रीजन्स ऑफ द प्लांट? टिप्स ऑफ रूट्स एंड शूट. तो ऑक्सिन इज अ ग्रोथ प्रमोटिंग हार्मोन present in the meristematic regions of the plant. Auxins are naturally found in the plant. One of the natural auxin is IAA. IAA का full form is important for your exams. IAA का full form क्या है? Indole 3-acetic acid. Now coming to the functions of auxin. First function of auxin is cell elongation. Now auxin plant cell को कैसे elongate करता है? Nucleus, jelly-like substance is cytoplasm. Outermost layer is cell wall and the inner one is cell membrane. Plant cell है ये. अब ऑक्सिन क्या करता है? ऑक्सिन सेल वॉल को स्ट्रेच करता है लाइक अ रबर बैंड, elongating the cell. When cell wall is stretched like a rubber band, it elongates the cell. So ऑक्सिन का first function, it causes cell elongation. Now coming to the second function of auxin, leaf senescence is delayed. अब senescence का मतलब होता है aging. लीव सेनेसेंस इज फॉलिंग ऑफ लीव्स. लीव्स के गिरने को, लीव्स की एजिंग को डिले करता है. क्यों डिले करता है? क्योंकि ये ग्रोथ प्रमोटिंग हार्मोन है. बिकॉज इट इज अ ग्रोथ प्रमोटिंग हार्मोन, इट विल डिले द एजिंग प्रोसेस. ये ग्रोथ प्रमोट करेगा, एजिंग प्रोसेस को डिले करेगा. सो लीव सेनेसेंस इज डिलेड, फॉलिंग ऑफ लीव्स इज डिलेड. कमिंग टू द थर्ड फंक्शन, इट प्रमोट्स एपिकल डोमिनेंस. It promotes apical dominance. Now, what is apical dominance? The word apical came from apex. Apex का मतलब क्या होता है? On the top. Suppose this is the main shoot of the plant. यहाँ पे कौन सी birds आएंगी? Apical birds. यहाँ पे lateral birds. Now, एपिकल डोमिनेंस में डोमिनेंस कौन सी बर्ड का होगा? एपिकल बर्ड का या फिर लैटरल बर्ड का? नाम से पता चल रहा है एपिकल डोमिनेंस. डोमिनेंस ऑफ एपिकल बर्ड. द ग्रोथ ऑफ द एपिकल बर्ड्स विल सप्रेस द ग्रोथ ऑफ लैटरल बर्ड्स. तो एपिकल बर्ड की ग्रोथ लैटरल बर्ड्स की ग्रोथ को रोक देगी. द ग्रोथ ऑफ एपिकल बर्ड विल सप्रेस द ग्रोथ ऑफ लैटरल बर्ड. एंड व्हाट इज द फिनोमेना कॉल्ड? एपिकल dominance. इस apical dominance की वजह से plant will get taller. How do you think this taller height of the plant is helpful? जितना ज्यादा टॉल होगा उतना ज्यादा अच्छा एक्सेस होगा टू द सनलाइट for the process of photosynthesis. So apical dominance, the growth of apical bird suppresses the growth of lateral bird. And what is this phenomena called? Apical dominance. This will make the plant grow taller. Better sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. Now coming to the last function. Last function for auxin is parthenocarpy. Very, very important. Now what is parthenocarpy? Formation of fruits without fertilization. Formation of fruits without fertilization is called parthenocarpy. Guys, in grade 9, you have done pollination and fertilization. You remember? After fertilization, ovary forms fruit. After fertilization, ovule forms seed. But there is a process called parthenocarpy in which different plant hormones are used. Using parthenocarpy, even without the process of fertilization, fruits can be produced. So formation of fruits without fertilization. What is the name of the technique? Parthenocarpy. But the fruits which are produced by parthenocarpy are seedless fruits. They don't have seeds. Seedless fruits. Example, banana, grapes. So what will be parthenocarpic fruits? Fruits which are produced by parthenocarpy. And what is parthenocarpy? Formation of fruits without fertilization. So now a quick revision for all the functions of auxin. Auxin, growth promoter or growth inhibitor? It is growth promoter. Where is it present in the plants? Meristematic regions of the plant, actively growing regions of the plant, naturally present in the plant. Example क्या है natural auxin का? IAA. What is the full form for IAA? Indole 3 acetic acid. Coming to the functions of auxin. पहला function, stretches the cell wall like a rubber band, cell elongation. दूसरा, because it is growth promoting, it will delay the aging process. Leaf senescence is delayed. Falling of leaves is delayed. तीसरा process, apical dominance. Dominance of apical buds. The growth of apical buds will suppress the growth of lateral buds. The plant will grow taller. More sunlight, more photosynthesis. The last function, parthenocarpy. Formation of fruits without fertilization. Formation of seedless fruits. Example, banana and grapes. There's a mnemonic to memorize all the functions of auxin. Clap. The mnemonic which I have made to memorize all the function of auxin is clap. If you have a better mnemonic, please drop it in the comments. It will be helpful for the other students. But the one which I have made is clap. Now, what is the meaning of each letter in this mnemonic? C stands for cell elongation. L is leaf senescence is delayed. A stands for apical dominance promoted. P is parthenocarpy. So auxin is over. Now coming to the second growth promoting hormone. Coming to the second growth promoting hormone, gibberellins. Now gibberellin भी growth promoting hormone है. It will promote the growth in plants. Location is same as auxin. Meristematic regions, actively growing regions which are tips of roots and shoots. Now gibberellin में बहुत सारे forms है, GA1, GA2, but the most common form of gibberellin is GA3. So GA3 is the most common form of gibberellin. Coming to the functions of gibberellin. Now gibberellin is responsible for the growth of internodes in plant. अब internode क्या होता है? Example, let's say a bamboo plant. Bamboo plant में nodes होते हैं. These are called nodes. The region between two nodes is called internode. The region between two nodes is called internode. So gibberellin hormone increases the length of internodal region. It increases the length of internodal region. The first function. Now coming to the second function. It breaks seed dormancy. अब what is seed dormancy? This is not a new word for you. Seed dormancy क्या होती है? Sleeping state of the seed. Sleeping state, inactive state को क्या कहते हैं? Seed dormancy. अब गिबरलिन ग्रोथ प्रमोटिंग हार्मोन है, ये स्लीपिंग स्टेट को प्रमोट करेगा या स्लीपिंग स्टेट को ब्रेक करेगा? बिकॉज गिबरलिन इज ग्रोथ प्रमोटिंग हार्मोन, it will break the inactive state, it will break the sleeping state. So gibberellin breaks seed dormancy, it breaks the inactive state because it is growth promoting hormone, ये growth promoting है, ये inactive state को break करेगा. Now coming to the third function, it delays leaf senescence just like auxin plant. Auxin was a growth promoter, similarly gibberellin is also a growth promoter. तो ये एजिंग को या फॉलिंग ऑफ लीव्स को प्रमोट करेगा या डिले करेगा? डिले करेगा. सो इट डिलेज लीफ senescence just like auxin. Now coming to the last function of gibberellin hormone, it is extensively used in horticulture. Now what is horticulture? The branch which deals with cultivation of fruits and vegetables. So how do you think gibberellin is helpful for horticulture? Gibberellin hormone can improve shape of fruits. कैसे? It improves shape of apple. It increases length of grapes. So gibberellin hormone is extensively used in horticulture. It can improve shape of apple. It can increase length of grapes. Now there is one more function. Gibberellin hormone is also used in production of alcohol. तो ब्रूइंग इंडस्ट्री में भी गिबरलिन हार्मोन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Hey, hello everyone. So I am putting a lot of efforts in creating these videos for you. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. It will help me in reaching more audience. Thank you. Now coming to the mnemonic of gibberellin hormone. In biology, dream happens. So what is the mnemonic? In biology, dream happens. In biology, dream happens. This is the mnemonic for the function of gibberellin hormone. What does I stands for? Internodal length. What is B standing for? It breaks seed dormancy, delays leaf senescence, and H is for horticulture. So gibberellin hormone is a growth promoting hormone found in meristematic regions. सबसे ज्यादा कॉमन फॉर्म गिबरलिन की GA3 है. कमिंग टू द फंक्शंस, पहला फंक्शन इट इंक्रीजेस द लेंथ ऑफ इंटरनोडल रीजन्स. दूसरा फंक्शन, बिकॉज इट इज अ ग्रोथ प्रमोटिंग हार्मोन, ये रेस्टिंग स्टेट को ब्रेक करेगा, ब्रेक्स सीड डोरमेंसी. थर्ड, बिकॉज अगेन द ग्रोथ प्रमोटिंग एजिंग प्रोसेस को भी डिले करेगा, डिलेज लीफ सेनेसेंस. एंड द लास्ट फंक्शन, इट इज एक्सटेंसिवली यूज्ड इन हॉर्टिकल्चर. फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स के लिए उनकी शेप्स को इंप्रूव करता है. सो इन बायोलॉजी ड्रीम हैपेंस, increases internodal length, breaks seed dormancy, delays leaf senescence. H is for horticulture. Now coming to the third growth promoting hormone, cytokinin. तो cytokinin कहाँ पे present होता है प्लांट में? रूट टिप्स में. It is produced in the root tips. Now root tips से it is transported to all the parts of the plant with the help of xylem. Xylem transports cytokinin to all the parts of the plant. And where is it produced? Root tips में. Now coming to the function of cytokinin. Cytokinin का function है triple C. Triple C, cell division. So it promotes cell division. It promotes chlorophyll synthesis. And it also helps in cotyledon expansion. You remember what is cotyledon? Grade 9. Cotyledon stores food in the plant for growing embryo. तो साइटोकाइनिन का फंक्शन क्या है? ट्रिपल सी फंक्शन है, सेल डिवीजन, क्लोरोफिल सिंथेसिस एंड कॉटिलिडन एक्सपेंशन. इज दिस क्लियर? साइटोकाइनिन कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है? रूट टिप्स में. रूट टिप से वो सारे प्लांट के पार्ट्स में इज सर्कुलेटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ जाइलम. फंक्शन इज ट्रिपल सी, सेल डिवीजन, chlorophyll synthesis and cotyledon expansion. There is one more important function. Now coming to the last function of cytokinin, which is it inhibits apical dominance. You remember the name of the hormone which was promoting apical dominance? Auxin. Auxin promote कर रहा था apical dominance. Inhibit कौन कर रहा है? Cytokinin apical dominance inhibit कर रहा है. Now इट माइट बी कंफ्यूजिंग फॉर यू कि ऑक्सिन भी ग्रोथ प्रमोटिंग है, साइटोकाइनिन भी ग्रोथ प्रमोटिंग है, फिर एक एपिकल डोमिनेंस प्रमोट कर रहा है विद द अदर वन इज इनहिबिटिंग एपिकल डोमिनेंस. व्हाई दिस? Now, I'll give you a simple example to understand this. Even in your body, there are hormones which are working opposite to each other, antagonistic to each other to maintain normal functioning of your body. Example, insulin blood glucose sugar को कम करता है, glucagon blood glucose sugar को बढ़ाता है. दोनों साथ में काम करते हैं. अगर blood glucose level बहुत कम हो जाता है तो glucagon बढ़ा देता है. अगर ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है तो इंसुलिन कम कर देता है. बोथ वर्क टुगेदर टू मेंटेन द नॉर्मल फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द बॉडी. सिमिलरली ऑक्सिन एंड साइटोकाइनिन वर्क टुगेदर टू मेंटेन द नॉर्मल फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द बॉडी. एपिकल डोमिनेंस बढ़ा कौन रहा है? ऑक्सिन. अगर बहुत ज्यादा टॉल हो जाता है प्लांट तो उसको कम कौन करेगा? साइटोकाइनिन. बोथ आर वर्किंग टुगेदर, प्रमोटेड बाय ऑक्सिन and inhibited by cytokinin. Apical dominance promoted auxin, inhibits apical dominance cytokinin. In name the following, if the question comes, name a hormone which works antagonistic to auxin. Antagonistic means opposite. So the answer will be cytokinin. Cytokinin, I will repeat all the points. Cytokinin एक growth promoting hormone है, root tips पे present होता है. रूट टिप से इट इज सर्कुलेटेड टू ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट विद द हेल्प ऑफ जाइलम. इसके फंक्शन है ट्रिपल सी, सेल डिविजन, क्लोरोफिल सिंथेसिस एंड कोटिलिडन एक्सपेंशन. लास्ट में देयर इज वन वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन, इट कैन इनहिबिट एपिकल डोमिनेंस. नाउ वी आर डन विद ग्रोथ प्रमोटिंग हार्मोन. आई विल हैव अ क्विक रिकैप फॉर ऑल थ्री. ऑक्सिन, गिबरलिन, साइटोकाइनिन. ऑक्सिन में व्हाट वाज द निमोनिक? क्लैप. सी, cell elongation. L, leaf senescence is delayed. A, apical dominance promoted. P, parthenocarpy. Gibberellin. Gibberellin में निमोनिक क्या था? In biology dream happens. I stands for internodal length. B, breaks seed dormancy. D, delays leaf senescence. And the last one, H was for horticulture. Then cytokinin, another growth promoting hormone. The function is triple C. Cell division, chlorophyll synthesis and cotyledon expansion. Now we are starting with growth retarding hormone. As the name suggests, it will inhibit the growth in plant. Up, the first example is ethylene. Ethylene is a growth retarding hormone. Ethylene is the only plant hormone which exists in gaseous form. It is a very 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 important question for your board exam. Name the plant hormone which exists in gaseous form. The only plant hormone which exists in gaseous form is ethylene. What is the name? Ethylene. Now, ethylene में site of synthesis और site of action same होती है. What do we mean by that? जहाँ पे ethylene produce होता है, वहीं पे वो act करता है. Example, ethylene causes ripening of fruits. Ethylene is produced in the fruits and it is causing ripening of fruits. So the site of production and site of action is same, unlike other plant hormones. So in name the following, if the question comes, name the plant hormone whose site of synthesis and site of action is same. The answer will be ethylene. Ethylene produce भी fruits में होता है और वो ripening of fruits करता है. Action भी fruits में ही हो रहा है. Site of production and site of action both are same. Now coming to the other functions of ethylene hormone, it can, ripening of fruits is very very important. There is one more function. You guys tell me what will happen to senescence. Ethylene एक growth retarding hormone है. ये senescence या aging process को delay करेगा या promote करेगा? Because it is a growth retarding hormone, it will accelerate the senescence process. So ethylene causes ripening of fruits. It accelerates the senescence process, accelerates the aging process in plants. Now coming to some other functions of ethylene, it can initiate germination peanuts में, it helps in sprouting of potato tuber and also induce flowering in mango. Ethylene is the hormone which is extensively used in agriculture. Ethylene को बहुत ज्यादा यूज करते हैं एग्रीकल्चर में. क्यों? क्योंकि राइपनिंग ऑफ फ्रूट्स करता है, germination in peanuts, flowering in mango, sprouting of potato tuber, इसीलिए the hormone which is extensively used in agriculture, ethylene. The hormone which is extensively used in horticulture, gibberellin. The hormone which promotes apical dominance, auxin. The hormone which inhibits apical dominance, cytokinin. The hormone which exists in gaseous form, ethylene. The hormone which causes ripening of fruits, ethylene. The only plant hormone whose site of production and site of action is same, ethylene. Now coming to the last growth retarding hormone, abscisic acid, also known as ABA. They can ask you to expand ABA in your paper. What was the expansion of IAA? Indole 3-acetic acid. How do you expand ABA? Abscisic acid, which is a growth retarding hormone. Very important. Guys, in name the following in your board exam, if you have to pick one amongst ethylene and abscisic acid as growth retarding hormone, prefer abscisic acid over ethylene. So growth retarding hormone, abscisic acid. Where is it present? In fruits and seeds. The location is, it is present in fruits and seeds. Now look at the function of abscisic acid. Abscisic acid, just like ethylene, is a growth retarding hormone. अगर ये ग्रोथ रिटार्डिंग हार्मोन है तो ये एजिंग प्रोसेस को एक्सेलरेट करेगा या डिले करेगा? ऑब्वियसली ये एजिंग प्रोसेस को, सेनेसेंस को एक्सेलरेट करेगा. एक्सेलरेट द सेनेसेंस. नाउ इट इंड्यूसेस सीड डोरमेंसी. सीड डोरमेंसी क्या है? रेस्टिंग स्टेट. यू रिमेंबर गिबरलिन, क्योंकि गिबरलिन ग्रोथ प्रमोटिंग हार्मोन था, वो रेस्टिंग स्टेट को ब्रेक कर रहा था. एब्सिसिक एसिड ग्रोथ रिटार्डिंग हार्मोन है, ये इंड्यूस करेगा रेस्टिंग स्टेट. इट इंड्यूसेस सीड डोरमेंसी. इट एक्सेलरेट्स द एजिंग प्रोसेस. And a very important give reason question, abscisic acid ABA is also called stress hormone. Why do you think it is called stress hormone? क्योंकि whenever any stress situation arises in plants like drought, जब भी कोई stress like situations आएंगी like drought, abscisic acid will lead to closure of stomata. How do you think closure of stomata is helping the plants in stressful conditions like drought? Plant loses a lot of water through stomata in the form of water vapor. Maximum transpiration happens through stomata in the plants. तो अगर stressful conditions हैं like drought, plant will conserve a lot of water by closing the stomata. That is why abscisic acid is also called stress hormone. क्योंकि stressful conditions में it will lead to closure of stomata, preventing the loss of excess water, by which process? Transpiration. Is this clear? Now the last growth retarding hormone is abscisic acid, also called ABA. Where is it present in the plants? Fruits and seeds. इसका function क्या है? क्योंकि ये growth retarding hormone है, it will accelerate the aging process or it will delay the aging process. It will accelerate the senescence process. It will induce the resting state, induce seed dormancy. And it is also called stress hormone because in stressful conditions it closes the stomata. It prevents water, conserve water for the plant. Now, just one more point for ethylene. There was one more function of ethylene, reduction in stem elongation. I want to ask a question for this. Reduction in stem elongation. Guys, all of you know कि ethylene is a growth retarding hormone. ये inhibit करेगा growth को. तो ये stem की length को बढ़ाएगा या कम करेगा? ये stem की length को कम करेगा. Reduction in stem elongation. But do you remember the name of a plant growth promoting hormone which was increasing the length of the plant? Auxin. Auxin promotes apical dominance, increasing the length of the plant. On the other hand, growth retarding hormone ethylene reduces the stem length. So one of the function of ethylene is reduction in stem elongation. Now we are done with all the 5 phytohormones in plants. A quick recap: 3 growth promoting hormones, auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin. Auxin में mnemonic था clap. Clap में C क्या है? Cell elongation. L, leaf senescence is delayed. A is apical dominance. P, parthenocarpy. Coming to gibberellin. Gibberellin का mnemonic क्या है? In biology dream happens. I क्या है? Internodal length. Biology में B क्या है? Breaks seed dormancy. Dream D क्या है? It delays leaf senescence. And the last one, H, stands for horticulture. Now coming to cytokinin, triple C, cell division, chlorophyll synthesis and cotyledon expansion. Also inhibits apical dominance. Now coming to growth retarding hormone, ethylene. Ethylene, the only hormone which is present in gaseous form. Site of action and site of synthesis, दोनों same है. It will accelerate the senescing process or the aging process. So accelerates senescence. Reduction in stem elongation. Stem की length को कम करेगा. Causes ripening of fruits. Coming to the last growth retarding hormone, abscisic acid, famously known as ABA. कहाँ पे present होता है? Fruits and seeds में. Function क्या है? Accelerate senescence. Breaks seed dormancy or induce seed dormancy? It will induce seed dormancy and it is also called stress hormone. Now we are done with all the 5 plant hormones. For the next topic, please come to part 2. Till then, bye. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. It will help me in reaching more audience. Thank you.